Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one's another little chunky one. I'm going to call this one Blossom. Just got lots of flowers in it, so hence why I'm calling it Blossom. It measures 7 by 4, a 1 3/4 inch spine, 3 signatures, 112 pages front and back. Fabric on the spine. We've got, I don't know who that paper's from. I can't remember. So I'm not going to guess. Topper on the front. I've actually got a video on this. I think it's coming up soon. I've got quite a few videos, but they're all one like scheduled release. Is that the right word? Anyway, this will be for sale. It's just a straggly bit here. This will be for sale over on my coffee shop. If you use the link below, it will give you 20% off anything in my shop until the 31st of May. Okay, that's 2025. So let's go inside. Oh yeah, we've got eyelets and we've got fabric here as a closure. You can see. Center signature is just coffee dyed pages, but the first and third signature is just it's just decorated. Okay, all right. ARTYmaze papers. We've got pockets and we've got lots of ephemera from various different people and some stenciled tags and just ephemera, like I said, from loads of different people. If there's anything particular you want to know, you can ask away. It's just that there's so many people, I can't remember who it is. Can't remember who they all are. This is actually an envelope and I turned it into a pocket. And we've got a tag there. And I know this image is a freebie over on my coffee shop. I've used a lot of ARTYmaze as well in this and the old design shop. Most people that I use are always linked below in the description box, so go check that out. You can tuck things in behind here. We've got a vintage mathematical book. We've got some stamping here. We've got a top tuck with little bits of ephemera, and that all goes in there. Little cluster here. We've got stamping. We've got, that's an envelope flap, and I've put little cluster, little tag there with a stamped flower on there. Some more ephemera here. There is a mixture of plain papers. I haven't coffee dyed these, the printables, but obviously the blank pages are just coffee dyed papers. Some ephemera here, that's the old design shop. Little cluster there. And more ephemera here. Also check out my freebie section on my coffee shop. Got a few bits on there that might be of interest to you. If not, then no worries. But it's there, it's free, you can use it. Journal pages here, some stamping, another pocket here, a stenciled tag, ARTYmaze tag. That's an ARTYmaze. I don't know who that's from. I think it's like, is it Christie Art Designs? Little tag. The paper in the background there is the old design shop, and I'll just put a sticker on there. Little cluster here. That's a stitched pocket. Some more ephemera. Oh, this is from ARTYmaze. That's from I think that's a French ephemera kit. This is the old design shop, and I believe the old design shop has got a 50% sale on till the end of the month. It may continue afterwards, who knows, but go check them out as well. An envelope here and some ephemera from the old design shop. And I just stenciled on there. So you just be mindful when you're putting things in and out of the pocket, because it's like that way. Because you know, it's paper at the end of the day. That is one of my kits, the gridded paper with all different backgrounds. And we've got a sticker here, some stamping. Here we've got your envelope. You can glue that up both sides and stick things inside. Just a simple belly band there, and then just some coffee dyed paper I've just stitched along there. A fabric ruffle or some stamping. Flip out there. This is actually an envelope pocket as well. And that just slides in there. I just put some lined coffee dyed paper and a sticker here. More of my paper there and a sticker. Thought that was the same sticker then. Stamped tag. That is from Dreams Etc. ARTYmaze. Just a little piece there. Little letter ephemera. Just a little cluster there. So like I said, the middle signature is just coffee dyed paper. You can do whatever you like with. Onto the third signature, we've got pocket, tags, ephemera, more tags, and this is from the old design shop. Another, oops, excuse me, another envelope pocket, another tag in there. That's again a freebie on my coffee shop. Another little that cluster here on the envelope flap, another tag. Tag, little, what was that, a recipe? No, don't know what that is. Oh, it's like an order thing. And that's from ARTYmaze as well. Another pocket, another tag stenciled. That's from ARTYmaze. Don't know who that's from. That is just in my stash somewhere. I think this is from Artful Era Gallery. Little piece there. And then another one of these. Some stamping, journal space, a stenciled tag, ARTYmaze tag, library card, and then these. Little cluster there, sewn pocket, and some bits in there. And that goes in there. Some more stenciling, little ephemera piece here as well. That's from ARTYmaze French ephemera. Like I said, with these, just be mindful when you're putting things in and out, because like it's paper. Stamp, not a stamp, a sticker. That's a stamp. A top tuck. And oh, there we go. Stamping, little flip there. And then here is another piece of ephemera from the old design shop. And the paper clip just holding that in. This is another envelope pocket, and we've just got some more ephemera. I think that's from the old design shop. And I don't know who that's from. That could be the old design shop, I can't remember, because I've got loads of little boxes with bits of ephemera and bits and bobs in, so can't always remember who it's all from, or where it's all from, sorry. Sticker, that's my paper. So like I said, you'll find all the links below. There is a 20% discount on all journals and digitals till the end of the month. I'll have another offer next month of some sort. These, I can't remember who they're from, but I bought them recently, and it was just like 2 sheets of all these lovely little florals and numbers, and ever so pretty. So that is the journal. And like I said, I've got the fabric ruffle and the crocheted trim on there as well. And it's a nice size. Obviously, just to hold, you could pop that in your bag if your bag's big enough, obviously. But it is one of them journals you could take with you on your travels. You know, it's not too big. So there we go. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.